How's it, guys? Yeah, so welcome back to the stream. Today I've got a setup for you that I'm actually just currently in. So it is a Solana long, looking to target the highs at around about 28.26. Looks like a very, very clean setup. Yeah, I'm not too worried about that. Yeah, so this is pretty much the setup that I'm in. I did take a long here for Solana. Um, let's see how this plays out. So let's see. Yeah, so I hope you guys are doing well though. Looks like there's zero, but I hope you guys are good. No worries, no worries. Yeah, so I'm aiming to target the 28.18 area, because that's the ideal resistance, right? So if you have to have a look to the left here on the 15 minutes, the 30-minute, and the 1 hour, that's the ideal place to look at taking profits. Okay. So yeah, only the setup that I'm in at the moment. Let's have a look at BNB. I do want to go over Chainlink though, because Chainlink does look like it's been pumping. I actually did buy spot on Chainlink at around about 6.1, which is actually insane to me. Yeah, so it's at like TP now, which is crazy. This was a very, very nice setup. Yeah, it did take a couple of days to obviously play out here, but obviously very, very nice setup that we've got going. Yeah, so if you guys have any coins that you want me to go over, let me know. But essentially, I am only in the Solana setup, but it looks like we will get a rip here. Bitcoin is starting to come up. So yeah, let's see how this plays out. Yeah, this is exactly what I was speaking about, right? It's the retest trade, right? We had that 1 hour candle closure, created this nice bottom wick, starting to flip bullish now, right? Very, very simple strategy, very, very simple trade. We do need to see this trend line, obviously. I mean, we do need to see these highs get taken out. Once we see these highs get taken out, then I would probably start to flip. I mean, we got some volumes to the upside. It does look very, very good. So let's see. It's a bullish day. Like, I think Bitcoin's starting to rip at the moment. Let's see here. Yeah, we had that trend line breakout. I was speaking about that today. Also on the 1 hour chart. Once we see a break above this level here, I think Bitcoin's probably going to come back to 31. This whole zone over here might get tapped into a very, very important zone to look at. So yeah, let's see how this plays out. But Solana looks very clean. Looks very, very good for longs. So if you did take this setup, we'll see how this plays out. Yeah, so if you guys just join now, currently in a Solana setup, I am obviously bullish on the day. I did go over Bitcoin. I will go over Ethereum, but if you want me to go over any coins, just put them in the chat, and I will be going over it. Right. So also for the setup, once we start to break the highs at 27.27, we're probably going to see quite a big rip to the upside. So I want to see we have a bit of support at this level, but the major resistance is at the top, right? Yeah, so let's see how this plays out. Looks very, very good, yeah, though. Does look good. That's just for Forex. Matic's obviously bullish on the day. Very, very bullish. We had that 4-hour candle closure above this level, and we're breaking these highs. I won't take longs here for Matic. Mainly just Solana, to be honest. It's only really giving me a clear indication. Polkadot, this was beautiful, right? Price, if you just look at this, how price came back and tapped into the zone multiple times. So we had this. This is where I took that long the other day. And then same exact position, long over here. I'm not long, but it's basically just a retest of previous resistance / support, okay? So yeah, make sure you guys send me some charts in the chat. We can go over them. But like I said, I am long on Solana, okay? Yeah, looks good. Stop loss would have to be below this wick over here. Take profit is at 28.18. It's around about, from entry, 4%. I'm up around about 1% at the moment, but it's a 4% move, okay? So getting in now, it's not a bad idea. Because once we start breaking these highs, like I said, this blue line here, we should start to see a rip. So let me actually type that in. Should rip, right? Yeah. So I mean that's because we're breaking previous highs, and then we're probably going to test this wick at the moment. So yeah, so let's see how this plays out. Looks good. Gold, Forex, right? Let's go back to Bitcoin. If you guys did just join, Bitcoin, obviously very bullish today. Like I said, bouncing off support nicely. Next level is 30,820. That is the next zone to obviously look at. And then Ethereum, same thing goes here, right? We respected this trend line on the 4-hour time frame, and then on the 1 hour, if we have a look at this, I mean, it's just straight up bullish, right? So once we break this level here on the 1 hour, like this wick over here, we're probably gonna come back to 1943 within today. Okay, 1943 would be the ideal area to look at. Chainlink, I mean, this was such a beautiful setup. I bought it on spot, so I didn't actually buy this on futures, but I'm up around about 30% on spot, which is crazy. Very, very nice setup. Yeah, so it looks like ETH starting to rip, which is obviously good. Okay, and like I said, I'm still long on Solana. So I'm long on Solana. I mean, this trade here is just purely based on breakout of trend line, close above resistance / support, right? Price comes down, retest, take the long, target the highs, right? So very, very clean setup. I will be holding this for a couple hours because the thing is, it's a 4% move, right? From entry, okay? So 4% move from entry. We might not see that within an hour, but when New York starts to open, we should see a continuation of a bullish uptrend, right? So we'll see what happens. Very, very nice though. I would take this trade every single day of the week. Okay. Retest trades